Hi everyone, it's Anushka and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see how you can ace your next chemistry exam and how you can remember all the chemical names in just 2 steps in your physics subject and how you can get 100% in your chemistry exam. So let's start. So assume that there is a chemical formula in front of you and you don't know the word equation for it. So how will you deal this situation? So for this, first we need to learn the step 1, the basic step. Alright, so first let me take an example that is, let's take FeCl3. Now if in exam we are given this equation and you're asked to find the word equation, the word name for it, what are you going to do? So in step 1, we deal with the B part of this equation. So Fe here is going to be our A part, it's the first part, and Cl3 is going to be our B part. So first in the step 1, you have to deal with the B part. So B part is ending with Cl, and we know that whenever Cl comes in an equation, it means chloride. So hence we have found out that the B part is chloride. Now let us move on to our step 2. Now as you know that that in the step 1 we deal with B part, and so in step 2 we are going to deal with A part. So this is the B part, this is the A part. So we know that A part is Fe, and Fe means iron, right? We've been taught this when we were like in 6th standard or something. So Fe means iron and Cl3, as we know, means chloride, and 3 here is just an atom. The number of atom is represented by 3. So hence we can say that FeCl3 is iron chloride. Alright, so we found out the word equation or the word name for this particular equation. Now let's move on to our second example. So now for the example 2, let's take a different equation which is not ending with Cl, so that you'll be able to understand it clearly. Let's take 3NH4OH. Alright, so here is our example. So let's start with the step number 1, that is wherein we deal with the B part. So B part is OH, and we know that whenever an equation ends with OH, it means hydroxide, right? So step 1, that is B part, we have found out the B part. Now we know that here 4 is just an atom, right? It represents how much atom this particular value is containing, and 3 is a molecular number. So now let's deal with our A part. Alright, that is step 2. So NH, we know it means ammonia, right? So it's going to be ammonium. NH means ammonium. You just have to know the basics, and if you know the basics, if you know the step 1, if you know that OH ending things are hydroxide, you'll be able to clear it in the first go. So we can say that 3NH4OH is what? Ammonium hydroxide, right? So here you go, we have covered 2 examples here. So let us try to recap everything that we have done. So in step 1, we focus on the B part of the equation, and if a equation is ending with Cl, it means chloride, and OH means hydroxide. In the step 2, that is the last step, we deal with the first part or the A part of the equation, that is NH, or in the first example it was Fe. So if you know the A part, you will be able to guess the correct equation for this word, for the correct word for this equation. So A part here is ammonium and B part here is hydroxide. So hence we have found out that 3NH4OH means ammonium hydroxide, and FeCl3 means iron chloride. If you like the video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video for all your friends so that they can ace their exams with 100%. Bye bye and see you next time.